Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make an easy roti to serve with the chicken curry. It is called Roti Jala. Roti Jala means net roti. So the actual roti itself is like a lace. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very easy and we can use it to replace rice when we serve curry. But we usually serve rice and Roti Jala. So you have a choice to dip your curry with. Okay, so let's go and see what does it take to make Roti Jala. Hi, I'm Loretta. Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food. It is a place where I share my love of cooking and being in the kitchen. All about food, yeah? So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. And I upload one video a day. All right then, let's go. To make the roti jala, you will need 125 gram of plain flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, a pinch of turmeric, and of course some water, about 250 ml of water. To make the batter, we will mix up the flour and we'll break an egg in the center. Okay, then we add some water and slowly we incorporate it. Add all the water. Okay, I think we need a bit more turmeric. It's not yellow enough. Yeah, add a bit more. Ooh, that's very yellow. So this is ready. So we're gonna sieve this and then we put it on a container and we set it aside for about maybe 20 minutes to half an hour. Yeah. We're sieving it so that we take away all the lumps. I'm now going to make the roti jala, and I'm using a normal pan, so I just have to add just a bit of oil. I like to use the tissue so it doesn't have so much oil. And then we get the batter that we prepared earlier and give it a stir. It should have thickened a bit by now because the starch has expanded. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pour this in here and then we can make patterns. We let it stand here. So this will cook. This is not very nice because I didn't do it properly. Usually the first one is like this. Do another one. Round, 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 round. Okay. Okay. Coming up a bit, so it's about one to 2 minutes. Okay, it's done. So we just flip it over and then we just roll it up. You can fold it in whatever shape you want. Okay, so this is my roti jala. It's already eaten. I made about 6, but I've only got 2 left to show you. And this one tastes well, it goes well with curries, and you can dip it in the curry, so it's a bit lacy like this. Yeah, so you use this to mop up the curry gravy. Okay, so I hope you liked watching me making this video about roti jala. It's a very simple dish to do. Maybe I'll show you. going to show you now. So you take the roti jala and then you dip it in the sauce, or you can, pick up some bits there and then you eat it. It's good. So if you don't fancy plain rice for curry, you can try this glutinous rice as well, and also try the roti jala. It's very simple to make. Okay then, till the next time, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all the videos that I make. And don't forget to share if you find that you'll be useful for some of your friends or family members to be entertained or to learn new things. Till then, bye! See you! Bye! Loretta, Nyonyarecipe. Ciao! Until the next meal. Thank you, thank you, thank you!